Hi, in this video we're going to make Spam a real quick, easy way in the microwave. This is generic Spam, but it's the same thing. I don't really notice any difference when I eat those. Two different products. So we just open the can. And you have to be careful with that sharp. And then I just dump it right onto a plate. Right onto a microwave safe plate. And then I cut that into about 5 or 6 pieces. I'm just using a butter knife here. This stuff cuts pretty easy. I try to get them all fairly close to the same so that they all cook kind of the same. And then I just spread those out into a single layer on the plate. And then that goes into the microwave just like that for 6 minutes. And after 6 minutes that'll be done and ready to eat. So our Spam is just about done cooking. That's been in there for 6 minutes. The plate can be hot, so I'm gonna grab something here to get that out with. Okay. And then the next thing I like to do is I just transfer that to a new plate. That way it's not on a plate that's hot from the microwave. But that is ready to eat. You can eat that however you like to. Usually we just grab it and eat it. But you could probably make a sandwich with it or use it with anything really, an omelet. You could probably do all sorts, but we just eat it usually.